Hello, my name is Jessica, and I made a stuff made of corn husk, and I made dolls that represent my culture, like the Virgen de Guadalupe, Frida Kahlo, and also flowers, and sometimes dolls just for fun. And this time I'm going to show you how to make the marigold. So I hope you guys like it, and let's start it. The materials are water, hot glue, scissors, wood stick, string, and I use those for dye my corn husk. And you can follow the instruction as a fabric, so it's just the same. And corn husks, you can get those from Mexican stores, and this is how they look after I dye them. I'm going to start spray some water on the corn husk just to make it like kind of soft and ready for work. Now they're wet, we're going to start like cutting or tear or corn husk like this. It doesn't matter the space between every tear, and we're gonna do the same with all of our corn husk. I'm gonna keep doing this in both sides. Now that I cut both of my sides like this, I'm going to fold on half and shrink my corn husk. Actually, I can make it like an accordion or just shrink wherever is easy for you guys. And I'm going to use my string to keep everything together. So we're gonna keep doing this until we finish the whole corn husk that I have here, okay? Now that I finished with my corn husk, place them around the center, I'm gonna tie everything with a thick string. So I'm gonna tie everything to keep everything and it doesn't move. So this is what I'm going to do now. So now that we got to this point, we're gonna cut the bottom part very carefully. Please ask for help. Since we got a lot of corn husks here, this is gonna be kind of hard. Now I have my green corn husk, and I'm gonna fold it into half, and I'm gonna cut like zigzag, like this. So this is how my corn husk is going to look after I cut them. Now I'm going to place it around down here, and I'm gonna cut the extra. So the extra is gonna be the I just need to cover this part, okay? So I'm gonna go cut up to here just to cover the top, the bottom of the flower to make it look nice. So I'm gonna put glue around the string because that's the part that I want to cover, right? So I'm gonna go around my string, over my string, sorry, and with my corn husk go do this. So I'm gonna go all around the corn husk, the flower. So now that I did this, I'm gonna tie down here with my string again. This is almost the end of the flower, and by now I'm just gonna use this. It's called floral tape. So to cover the bottom part of down here, so I'm gonna use my floral tape to cover everything, and we're almost done with it. Well, this is how finally we ended with the flower. I cut leaving this part longer than the size around here because the cempasúchil flower has this round shape. So that's what I tried to do at the end, cutting with the scissors and going around from small to bigger. We know this flower as a cempasúchil, which means a flower of 20 flowers. And as you can see, this one has a lot of petals, but also the real cempasúchil has a lot of petals. The tradition said that this flower can keep the sun in it. So when we take the petals out of the flower to make a trail to the ofrendas, the people who pass away can follow the trail because the sun comes out of the petals. So that's why we took that flower as a symbol of the Day of the Dead. So I hope you guys liked the video, and thank you for Milwaukee Art Museum for the opportunity to showing you how to make this flower with a also traditional material, which is the corn leaf, and we also use that for tamales. And I hope you guys like it, and I hope you can make the activity. So thank you.